I'm gonna tell you, the engine's right here.
It's just pounding away as I'm trying to talk right now. This is worse than losing like a supercar motor because we can't get this.
E30 has been acquired, Vic. On the trailer, dude. It's tailgating us right now. You excited? I am super. E30 is back at the shop. First glimpse. Not too bad. Gotta get it all cleaned up, and then we'll be ready to start on that M52 swap.
How hot is it in there?
Is it recording?
I've been recording the whole time,
Oh,
dude.
sick.
We got the R33 on the lift. How's it going, Matt?
Going good. It's just pounding away as I'm trying to talk right now. Front end's coming off, dropping the axles right now. It's kind of ripping everything that's like attaching the engine to the bay, basically. Just going around in a circle. Have just about everything separated off of the engine. Just kind of all hanging and dangling. Getting ready to anchor out. Full Tomei gaskets, big turbo kit, going from the twins to a big single. It's kind of refreshing everything on the engine. For our friend Jaff over at Right Hand Drive, yeah.
Dude, I got like the perfect tool for this. Yeah.
And if that thing drops, this is worse than losing like a supercar motor because we can't get this. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
An RB26. Do you know what car an RB26 belongs in? It's a GTR.
Frozen cam angle sensor, and it's ruining my life.
Oh, wow, what came in?
We had a customer come in with a beautiful like 1996 Subaru WRX wagon. It's a right-hand drive, but he came in for a couple different things. Before you guys say anything, no, it's not rod bearings. Well, at least not yet anyways. He came in with an RD steering wheel that we're gonna install, and we're gonna install an HKS exhaust as well. And then he's just gonna get some general maintenance done.
Will you put the key in?
Yeah, hold on a second. You want me to turn it on?
Yeah. Is the check engine light flashing?
Problem looking like, Matt.
Vehicle speed sensor fault. It's reading vehicle speed, but automatic transmission car, so it could be something in the automatic transmission control module. So I'm gonna look into that and go from there. All right, count.
Okay. Yeah, it's going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We did it, lo hicimos.
Did it, we did it, hooray!
Vic is done with the cage on the E90. How's it looking, Vic?
It's looking pretty good. So a lot of you have probably seen me work on this car in the background, and it's gonna be a half-mile car. Kind of like his fun street car too. So he asked me to build him a 6-point cage. What that means is this cage is tied into 6 points in the chassis. So 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 2 in the back. We also put X bracing in between the main hoop and the back down bars. And we've got harness bars coming across and have his harnesses tie off to him for his seats. He also asked us to do door bars. So this is more of a drag street car door bar styling. Come up high and then come down low, and I kind of put a bend in it to make it easier for him to come in and out of the car. We do fab work. I'll do roll cages. Do a lot. Hit us up. I'll do it.
Nice.
Oh no.
Check this out.
Yo, this is a Canadian car?
Canada, Canada, maple syrup.
Right, that's it. That, that's the national anthem.
Meet me at
Tim Hortons.
Tim Hortons.
What are we at, Matt?
59.9, 60, 59.9. I think I was right on the money at 58, honestly, dude. Calling it. I won.
Look at that. It's all caked on there and shit. I want to pull out the tan carpet in there, stained off. Clean it and dye it black to match the truck, which isn't as bad as I thought it would be. There's just a lot of shit in here. Carpet's finally out. Matt and Ethan helped me quite a bit on this. So now we're gonna pressure wash it, get all those stains out, and hopefully dye it black.
That's disgusting, bro. That's disgusting.
This is like brown, and that's the second go over with the power washer. It's pretty gross. How's the RB going, Matt?
Good, man. I think last time you were in here, I was taking off the cam angle sensor. So, boom, a lot of progress. About 1 in the morning right now, heads off. Obviously, we have the whole timing assembly removed. I'm delirious. Transmission's coming off next, and then I might go to sleep.
So it's the following morning, and it got way too dark for me to film the carpet, but that's what it looks like now. That's for the back seats. Not too bad. I still gotta dye that. Hopefully this will go back in the E30 pretty shortly. Matt, what are we doing to this 350Z?
Initially came in for a check engine light, found rodent damage. So I'm rewiring the NOx sensor, O2 sensor, and then while I'm in there, I'm gonna throw a plenum spacer on it and give them something to look forward to.
Today we got this plenum spacer. Today we got this plenum spacer for this 350Z behind me, made by a Skunk 2.
Look at the camera real quick. Give us a little lip bite.
The intake manifold for the 350Z.
Making it look all purty.
Yeah, it was all scuffed up in silver. It's now nice and black.
This is ridiculous, dude. Like just the standard. This flies for you, dude. Matt. Unacceptable. I'm gonna have to let myself go.
How's the plenum spacer going, Matt?
Dude, looks great. Did it in a wrinkled black. Try to clean it up a little bit.
Can I keep his sticker?
No.
No, I mean like a grand opening. Here, dude. Have Billy bring his stuff.
Talking about Coney Boy tattoos?
Yeah, dude.
On our asses.
I want to get one on my teeth, dude. I want to get one on my.
I can't put that in.
Yeah, you can. You can just blur it out. Just censor it.
Yeah, dang, dude. Ladies, get yourself a mechanic.
Look at this guy at work hands.
You're real good at twisting, my friend.
Not though, he's taking.
He's taking.
How's the rear man going on the Miata, Ethan?
Going pretty good. I got everything off. Just got to get this shifter off. And I can start taking off the trans.
What's going on with the R33, Matt?
Stripping down the engine bay, getting ready for paint. ABS module, brake booster, fuse box, all the brake lines, literally everything you see right now, and then the whole bay's being prepped for paint. The e-brake on?
Oh, dude, It's out. Only took me like 2 hours. That I've never seen one of these before. Okay, get out of the video. I don't need 3 people helping me. I know it's in the back. I don't know how to do it. See, where I'm long. Where you put your oil.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I do that.
Now we check the back, right?
Hey, Colin, when you edit this, just make sure that this is first. Like, this comes up first. Ethan's like, I got this.
I'm gonna tell you, the engine's right here. See, I knew that.
You found it.
After looking around the vehicle, moving the seats, me by myself, I found where the engine is.
What's going through your head, Ethan?
Checking for any torn wires, any leaks. Said it's got speed wobbles and the clutch might be messed up. Everything is looking good. Oh, dude, this would be so much better with some Japanese music playing right now.
I'll play some Japanese music just for you, Ethan.
Bet, dude. See if it has the problem. No problem.